progress is happening right here at Wavecrest Residency on 2nd Avenue, Nyali. This is February 2025 and we're thrilled to share our latest construction milestone with you. We are now casting the final bases as we wrap up the foundation of this impressive structure, the most critical phase of construction. And guess what? We are already working on the formwork where we'll cast the ground floor slab. Don't miss your chance to be part of this exceptional development. Once we hit ground floor, progress will be fast and dynamic, and you'll want to be here with us. Book your site visit today and secure your spot at Wavecrest Residency. Your future home is being built right here.